Hi friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well, and today we will take a look at price action of ADA or Cardano, and you're watching Moon 333. The information I'm providing here in this video is for educational purpose only. This is not intended to be investment advice, so please seek a duly licensed professional for investment advice. ADA is standing at 12th position as per coin market cap data. If you see, and today it has dropped uh, since last 24 hours almost 8.21%. Now, first I would like to take you to my previous chart of ADA, which I posted a few months back. Even the ADA has given us many opportunities to trade, and I've been posting different charts on the ADA, but this one is the most important chart. And after watching this chart as a recap, uh, it will be easy for us to understand the current position of the ADA. And you can see I posted this chart in August 2019, and this was a long-term week-based chart. And here the price action was forming a bullish shark pattern, and so far at that time, the price action did not enter in this potential reversal zone or buying zone of this shark pattern. But all the legs were driven as required for the shark pattern perfectly. So I just predicted that the leg will be completed and the price action will enter in this potential reversal zone. And there were two more indications which I have shown in this chart. This is not so much clear. I'm just making it more visible for you. You can see here that the RSI was not oversold, and the MACD or moving average convergence divergence was also strong bearish. So there was possibility due to these two indications cause the RSI had more capacity or more cushion to drop down, and the MACD was giving us a strong bearish signals that the price action can move down. So therefore I was expecting that this leg will be must completed. And we also had received a bull cross from stochastic. Therefore, there was possibility that the price action will take a bullish divergence soon, but after completion of this uh, bullish shark pattern. And you can see now the price action has taken the bullish divergence from this potential reversal zone, and so far it has produced up to 138% massive profit. And now the price action is using this 0.382 Fibonacci level because this is the Fibonacci projection area of C to D lag between 0.382 to 0.786 Fibonacci, which we use as a sell zone or potential sell zone of bullish shark pattern. Therefore, now the price action is entered in this sell zone, and now the price line is using this 0.382 Fibonacci level as a support now. And now if we move to the current chart, we can see that on 2-day chart, the price action turned so much bullish, and the power of bulls, you can see here that they have crossed this blue one is the 25 moving average, this green one will be 50 moving average, and this red one is 100 moving average, and this 200 this black one is the 200 moving average. These are the simple moving averages, and on day charts these moving averages can be the strong hurdle or resistance for the price action. But you can see the price action uh, crossed them up very comfortably and did not face any resistance or hurdle. Many professional traders were expecting that there will be some price correction really, but since the rally was started from December 17 December up to 12th of February, there is no price correction really we can see. And now after 12th of February 2020, now there is a price correction really has been started, and now we can see that there is a strong support of 200 moving average as well. But as much faster the price action moves up, sometimes as much faster the price action moves down as well. Therefore, the price correction rallies are very much important as bullish rally perspective. If you're talking about the bullish rally perspective. But the 200 moving average can be a strong support, and we can see that every day the buying volume was getting increased. You can see with every day the buying volume was increased. This was the major reason, therefore, we did not have any price correction rally or moving down position by the price action. Now, if we move to the day chart, then there is a very strong position of the simple moving averages of ADA. You can see that there is an open alligator mouth formation is in process. So far, the 25 moving average has crossed up all the moving averages, and 50 moving average has also crossed up the 100 and 200 simple moving averages, and now we are soon we will receive a golden cross, a bull cross between 100 and 200 moving as well. Once this golden cross will be formed, then our opened alligator's mouth formation will be completed, and it will produce a more powerful bull run, as we had the situation here in April 2019 when the moving averages of ADA or Cardano formed a complete uh, alligator's open mouth here, and the price action moved up with a very powerful bull rally. So we are quite confirmed that the alligator's mouth formation is quite confirmed, but there is only one step left, that is the bullish or bull cross or golden cross between 100 and 200 simple moving averages, and definitely they will lift the price action far more up, and maybe the price action will make the higher than the previous high. The previous high, the recent high we have is 10.687 cents. So maybe the price action will take the price. The moving averages will take the price action more than this level. And finally, if we talk about the bullish rally of this, if we compare this bullish rally with the previous bullish rally here, then we have some similarities between the both bullish rallies. For example, this is the bullish rally of March to April 2019. And here we can see that the bullish rally was started, there was no price correction move. And once the price correction move started, it retraced up to 0.618 Fibonacci, and that is a very ideal retracement if we see according to the point of view of the professional traders. This retracement is very much ideal for trading. And here we have another ideal situation at that time, that the 50 moving average on this 2-day chart. 50 moving average on 2-day chart means 100 moving average on day chart. So the 50 moving average on 2-day chart was working as a support, and the price action took a bounce from this level of 0.618 Fibonacci and moved all the way up and made higher than the previous high price level. Now, if we see the current position, the same rally is, we have the same rally as we had in March to April 2019. Once the rally was started since December up to Feb, there is no price correction rally, and now the price correction rally has been started, and so far it has retraced up to 0.382 Fibonacci level. Now we are in more stronger position as compared to the March to April 2019 bullish rally, because at that time we did not have the support of simple moving average 200. Even the simple moving average with time period of 200 was moving down from a very far distance from the price action. But at this time we have a 200 simple moving average support, which is a very strong support at between 0.382 to 50 Fibonacci. So this time it will be difficult for the price action to cross down this 200 simple moving average, because we have also a formation, bull cross formation between 50 and 100 moving average that is likely to be formed very soon. It will also produce a very powerful bull move. And this time, there are many professional traders who would be taking the long position at this 200 moving average. They would be placing their buying orders here, and they will be also using this moving average as a stop loss as well. And there would be some other investors, for example, if someone has bought it here, someone has bought it here, but all the people, the professional people, would be using this simple moving average 200. In my opinion, they would be using it as a stop loss, and it should be used as a stop loss, because this is a very strong support for the price action. Once it will be broken down, for example, then the price action may retrace up to 0.618 Fibonacci, which is almost up to 4.7 cents. And even the price action also can give a spike up to 100 simple moving average. So this should be used as a stop loss at this time while we are having this price correction, really. So this was the update from the ADA so far. I will be definitely keep you updated and keep posting more videos and articles on ADA price action when I will receive more indications and the signals from the price action of ADA. If you like the video, then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel and do follow me. Thank you, take care, and goodbye.